Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this text effect in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump right into it. So first off, we want to make our background. You can make it any color you want. Then grab the type tool and write your text. Let's make it white so we can see it well. I'm actually going to add a black stroke to it and then swap the fill and the stroke. I'm going to make this real black. All right. Once you have your text, go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Transform. And then here comes the fun part. You can play around with this and just try out different options. You can get some really awesome stuff. Like, let's add some copies. Let's scale it a little bit. This already looks pretty cool. You can move it horizontally and you get this type of effect. Let's move it vertically as well. And then let's try adding an angle to it. So it's gonna spin a little. And let's try and reflect it various directions. I think random is the one I like the most. And I'm gonna add more of the horizontal and vertical. And I'll add more rotating. And just keep playing with these settings till you finally reach something you like. And press OK. The cool thing about this is we haven't expanded our text, so it's still fully editable. You can just double click and just change your text to whatever you want. And the effect will automatically apply to your new text. So pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Consider subscribing and commenting down below if you like my content. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, I post daily designs on there. So pretty cool stuff. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow.